Hello everyone, welcome today in this additional with extra Sudokus, five extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 20th, 2020. Yes, we have here 5 Sudokus, a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic, so total of 5. And the first one is a Sudoku with a 1 star, and this will be number 137 5. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The 1 star has always 27, but I need to check if it's correct. So we have 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is equal to 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 4 is equal to 18, plus 5 is 23, plus 3 is 26, and 1 is equal to 27. So correct as expected. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, which number shall I pick? Which number is the best to use? Let me see which number. Well. How about the number? Well, let me start with the 6 first. We have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the 4 then? We see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? Well, we have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column, so the column and next. The only place for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here 1, no 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6, the 7 is missing, and the 9 in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 5, and the 7. We see here the 5 and the 7 in this row, so no 5 and the 7 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 3. The 5 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. Then 5, 2, alright. How about the number 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the middle column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then yeah. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. A 3 there, no 3 here. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and all the 3s are used, I can see. First digit, yes, alright. Then 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this column. These numbers are the 4, the 5, and the number 6. We see here the 4 and the 5 in this row, so no 4 and the 5 in this box. So 1 that's left should be the 6. 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then in this column 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 here. Here also 1, no 1 there. Here a 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes. And there 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places in the second column for the 1 is here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. Ooh. Yeah. How about the number? In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 boxes left for the 7. The 7 could be here or could be there, but we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 box left for the 2 in this box. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 9 and 9 and 2. 9 and 2 are missing. In this column, we see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. And the final number of this big square for the number 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and the 2. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 8. And then 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. How about about the number 2, the second column, the 2 and the 9 are missing. The 2 and the 9 in the second column. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then these two numbers in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. One number left in this first column for the number 7 is missing. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will continue in a minute with the second one. That will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.